Today I'm going to show you on how to attack your muscle if you don't have any dumbbells, you don't have a gym to go to. Perfect way to do so is by doing specific exercises with the band. Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm going to show you on how to attack your muscle if you don't have any dumbbells, you don't have a gym to go to. Perfect way to do so is by doing specific exercises with the band. So I'm going to show you some great tips and tricks on how to attack your upper and lower body the right way to build some muscle. So you ready? Let's get it. Today I'm going to show you a few upper body exercises that you can do with resistant band. You have a lot of guys that come in the gym that, number one, they don't know how to use it, or two, you have some people at home that may have one of these, but then they're lazy and like, oh, I can't go to the gym. Well, these are exercises that you can actually perform with this resistant band that can attack and really help you build muscle with that upper body. Front shoulder raises. Just like that. Great shoulder exercise. Depends on how far you hold it, or how close, you can build resistance. Another great shoulder exercise that works on the lateral head. So those two exercises attack the front part of the delt and the side part of the delt. Let's say if I want to work out a little bit of chest, tie it onto something. Chest press. Some flies to the inner part, incline, a bunch of different chest exercises that can overall shape the entire chest. And then you have some other guys, okay, those are great shoulder and chest exercises. What are good exercises that I can do that can attack my tricep? That's a nice long head. Kickback. A lot of these exercises, you can literally do an entire routine with 4-5 sets. Each set, you can attack chest, shoulders, triceps. Also can attack your back. Other people say how you can attack your back. You can do some rolls. Put some resistance on it. Just step a little far back. Go a little closer. It's too heavy for me. A bunch of different exercises you can kind of execute with using the band. So you have a lot of people also that's like, okay, those are just strictly upper body exercises. What are great exercises I can use by using the band that I can attack my lower body? Or resistance. I want a little tighter, walk the part out. I don't want too much resistance on it. Go a little closer. So you have a few of those females, it's like, okay, I want to attack this exercise. I want to hit some butt exercises, right? Some kickbacks. So this is another good exercise. And again, if you want to feel a little more resistant, out a little further, then it makes it a little bit harder. Or I can just do it a little closer. It's not like nothing. Okay, so we're going to do another exercise, which a lot of people you don't see. A lot of squats. Yeah, we do pretty much squats with this. We put the resistance. Hold. In. Just like that. And if you want to be more resistant, you do this. So it's going to look like this from the back. So you go here. down. Pulling you down. And then resistance up. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed my video. The great tips and tricks that you can attack that upper and lower part of the body. But remember, this is not all the exercises that you can perform while using the resistance band. So if you have any questions, leave in the comment below of specific exercise you want me to show you how to use the resistance band. Don't forget to hit that notification button. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.